All right, hear me out on this one. If you find yourself fixing one of these snappers and you want to take the carburetor off, and you say, you know what, I'm going to take this chute off right here. Mine unfortunately has one bolt, but what's that too? Anyway, if you take this off, this puts pressure on a ground. This right here, this bar, this puts pressure on, and it will not get spark unless you have this guard on. It doesn't tell you that. It just says don't run without it in place because the blade is just open right there. But I'm here to tell you, it won't even run without that black piece in place. So if you find yourself fixing this, you're like, why am I not getting spark? Why am I not getting spark? This one for me ran fine last season. Didn't start this season, so I cleaned the carburetor, did the air filter, and ended up doing a lot more because I should have just put the black piece back on and I would have had spark. So just letting you know, if you have one of these, I have no idea what engine this is. Industrial, commercial type rigs. Do not try to start it without that because it ain't gonna do anything. That's all.